Hello everyone, this is Sandhya from Bunon Golpo, and you know that we are celebrating the 12th Handloom Day today. And I could not resist myself than coming on the video and talk about one of the famous weaves. So today, and I just would like take 1 minute to talk about it. So handloom is not something that we just celebrate and post videos and just leave it for the rest of the day. Uh, Handloom should be celebrated every day. Should be our part of lives, our day-to-day lives, and the artisans and the artists should be celebrated. And we should at least buy one handmade thing whenever we are going for any kind of purchase, so that they are well supported and they can keep continuing working. So I would request everybody to be a part of this handloom celebration and this handloom movement. I know that the situations are much better than what it was previously. People are much aware when they're buying the fabrics than just buying the machine made polyesters and the imported fabrics, rather than celebrating our much better and positive energy fabrics that we already have. So much of the gyan today, but this was not the gyan. This should be your philosophy of life. So I would like to take an opportunity and talk about one weave today, and I am starting a series of at least discuss one weave every day, because India has thousands of weave, and it is so culturally rich. So today I would be celebrating one fabric, which is kota. And as you know that kota was not originally from Rajasthan. Basically it was originated in the 17th century, and it was initially called kaitun because it originated in Mysore and the small town Kaitun. But Kishore Rao Singh, who was one of the general military senior position person in the Mughal Empire, he brought the weavers from Mysore to Rajasthan, and they started weaving and got support from the local rulers as well, and they started weaving this fabric. And the pattern of the weaving, like if you have seen kota, it has square patterns, small square patterns, and it is intentionally made so that it can keep you cool. These are woven in the pitlooms, and this is a blend of cotton and silk. That's why there is shine in it, and it is very airy. And if you don't have a kota, I would request you to just own one, and I can promise you will not go back to any other fabric. So let's celebrate kota weavers today, and I would show you stunning designs which you can wear in your daily day-to-day activities, or you can wear it to your office or any day functions, and it will keep you light. And those people who cannot wear saris for long, I promise you, if you wear kota, you're not going back to any other fabric or any other silhouette of the fabric. Kota is available for suits and everything, but I would show you kota saris, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's start the video. So let's start with the sari videos. I have 5 saris to show you in stunning colors and patterns. Let's start it. So before the start of the video, I would say that these are not even like 200 grams if you see, but the durability of it, which I had doubt myself, if you try to pin it someday, or if you already have, you need to push it harder, and then you understand the weaving technique is so rich that even after multiple washes, this does not lose its charm and its comfortability. So the saris are priced at so the saris are priced at 2250, and all the saris are priced at the same 2250, and it is shipping included. Okay, so if you buy it, you don't have to pay any shipping charges. I would open the saris and I'll throw it on myself just for your visibility, and I'm shooting it in sunlight so that you get the exact color of it. So see how beautifully drapes. It has the zari borders, and it has multiple block design. This is just not one block, it is combination of the blocks. So if you see on the side salvages, there is a different block, and on the whole body we have multiple blocks of the pink and orange color, and this is how the aanchal looks. Okay, I'll just show you opening the whole sari. You see the transparency of it, and this is how it looks. If you pair it with a pink blouse, it's gonna look stunning. See. Okay, so this is the first sari. Okay, the second sari is in the rich blue color, and you can see the designs. See, it has blue, red, and then there's a blank circles, and look at the border pattern. This is so pretty, and this is the aanchal. This is the aanchal. This has multiple pretty and very famous blocks, and this is how it drapes. See the stunning color. I'm just waiting for a few minutes. If you want to take the screenshot of the saris, get this one. Just pair it with a red blouse, and it's gonna look stunning on you. Okay, and this is the third sari. So this is how the aanchal is looking. This is in one of the Sanganeri block prints, and this is so pretty. See, it has the light yellow and the pink and deep pink, and this is the sari, and this comes with the blouse piece as well, which is stunning in itself. And you can make a blouse out of it. Okay, so I have made blouses from Kota Doria fabrics, and I can guarantee you it is one of the most beautiful things I've made. And this is the blouse piece, and this is the whole body of the sari. I'll drape it now, I'll show you. So this is how it looks. This is how it will drape. The color itself is so cute. It will uplift your mood whenever you wear it, and this is how it looks. Okay, this also goes for 2250 including shipping, and I have two yellow colors. So this sari blouse piece is this one, which is pretty in itself. You can pair it with so many saris, and this is the border design, and the sari goes like this. This is a stunning yellow color, and look at the border of this. See, this has paisley, beautiful earthy tone of greens and browns and maroon, and this is the whole body of the sari, and this is the border. And this is the aanchal. I'll show you from close. This is how it looks. Another design in the yellow color, which is such a cute paisley. Okay, and this is the beautiful aanchal. As you have paisley, we have kept it in the stripes, and we have blouse piece as well, which I'll show you. Let's look at the blouse piece. It is so beautifully and intelligently designed sari, and this is how it goes. This is the sari body. I'll drape it and show you. Look at the color and the patterns. This is circle and the paisley, and the salvage has beautiful yellow and the brown stripes. And look at this. So these are the 5 designs that I have, and if you are interested in any of these sari, please do let me know, and let's celebrate the handloom day with one step at a time. And as I have discussed in the quota history, if anybody has any questions, do let me know, or if anybody has any suggestions, please do let me know as well. And I will post individual pictures of all these sari if you want to have a look. Thank you. Tata.